Are you sick of your current job and always try to find a better alternative?
Or maybe you know that there is something much bigger within you other than being stuck in a 9-to-5 lifestyle but don't know how to get out.
What you are doing over and over again won't really make a huge difference for you or your life.
Albert Einstein once said, "You can't solve the problems with the same level of thinking which you have created them."
Look, you have been chasing your dream life for a long time outside of yourself. And you know what? No one will ever have the bigger plans for you.
If you want to change your life for better, it won't come from outside of you. The truth is, it's all within you.
There are unlimited possibilities out there for you, and you can have millions of ideas of where you can go next. But be aware that most of them are noises and demands from other people.
While there is a voice within you, which you have been ignoring for a long time, is crying for your attention.
Now it's time to take a step back and choose the new way to live a better life. You know that you deserve so much more than a mediocre lifestyle.
After coming out from corporates, we have learned how to design our own destiny, and we also learn how to create our desired reality.
My name is Sandy. I'm now a brain trainer, a clinical hypnotherapist, psychotherapist.
And my name is Islam Abdullah. I'm the CEO of a software company. I'm also a transformational coach.
In this upcoming free webinar, we'll give you the key to live your life purpose so that you can gain freedom, happiness, and fulfillment. With my experience, I'll teach you how to tap into your subconscious mind to learn more about yourself, to find out your life purpose, and the powerful techniques to manifest your desired future.
And with my experience, I will show you how to tap into your higher power so you can gain the wisdom and knowledge which I have been learning from all the successful people since I started my personal development journey. Whether you are in a crossroad in life or you want to change your life for better, this free webinar is for you.
Register now and take the step towards the life that you really want.